Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to upload a profile picture on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile picture on Bigo Live. Maybe you have never uploaded any profile picture since you have created your account on it, or maybe you have uploaded a long time ago, now you want to change it. Or it could be any other reason for you to change your profile picture on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of live streams and creators on our home screen. Other than that, at the top we have the categories for all these things, and at the bottom we have some options. So from all these options, top to bottom and in the middle of the screen, we have to click an option which is in the right bottom side of the screen, which is profile icon, or you could say me option. You just have to simply click on it, and then you will land onto this page. First, you will read the title of me, and there you will see your profile picture, your name, and other options related to your profile. So in the middle, this is the profile icon. If you have uploaded any profile picture, it will appear here, and if you have not uploaded any profile picture, so this will be the visibility. So once you open it, you will get here. Now you can upload profile picture simply by just tapping on this option which says upload avatar. Avatar is actually same as a profile picture, or you could say profile description, so you can call it anything. Once you tap on it, you will get two options. First says choose from album. That means you have to choose a picture from your mobile phone gallery, and with the second option, take photo, the camera will open, and from there you will select a picture, or you could say click a picture at the moment. So you can choose any one of these options, but I'm going with the first option, in which I'm going to select a picture from mobile phone photo gallery. So here I have selected this picture. Likewise, you can select any picture of your choice from your mobile phone gallery. It could be your picture, or it could be any avatar, or any kind of picture that you like. You can select it and simply type on OK option, and after that your profile picture will be uploaded, and at the bottom it will ask you that your profile picture has been successfully uploaded, and if you want to share it you can share it, otherwise skip it. So now just get back, and there you will see the profile picture will be uploaded like this. So whatever picture you have selected, it will appear as your profile picture on your profile. You can also tap on it, and then it will open and you can view that as well. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.